for aesthetic, I'm just gonna eat this, but of course I'm gonna eat that one yolk that broke. And it's right there. Good morning, guys. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. Now, I just made myself breakfast. I got ready. I didn't vlog that, but I did have my avocado toast, added a fried egg, and then also had some coffee with almond milk. So we're gonna hang out today. Okay, I have stuff that I want to do. So I need to go to Aldi because I want to get a papaya. I know it's kind of random just to pick up one papaya, but I really want a papaya. It has so much benefits, like I've noticed from eating papaya almost every day. It's crazy. Like, I never in my life thought I was gonna like papaya because I didn't for the longest, but my mom always recommended, and then I would see videos and I also would Google and try to find out like more benefits from it, and it's so good, especially for women and hormones. So, you know, getting old, guys, so I need to step up my fruit game. And then I also need to go to Bath and Body Works because they have their Valentine stuff and I want to go and browse around. And then I also have a birthday gift that they gave me. It's technically not a birthday gift because it's a spend I don't know how much and get a free gift. I don't know, I don't like those type of rewards, but I'm still gonna do it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do the Bath and Body Works first and then go to Aldi's, and then I might go to Dollar Tree because I need to get these little table plastic cloth or table, a vinyl table thing. Oh, I don't know, but I saw this trend a while back and on Christmas time where they do bows, and I want to do that for my coffee bar. So that would be my next video. I know I usually decorate early. I'm also gonna do a collab video and you're gonna see me do that also. So I think we should get on going and start doing these little errands that I have to do. Before I forget, I need to take some water because I don't like going out and not having water. I usually take a water bottle, but I'm trying to not use water bottles and just take stuff from, there's still water in here. Let me rinse this. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I have to defrost some chicken. I forgot. I have to make dinner later. I'm gonna do chicken breast. I have leftover rice and then broccoli. Okay, well that was crazy. Now let's get going. Okay, I'm walking into Dollar Tree. Look at these cute little headbands with hearts. They even have these tinsel ones. So festive, so cute. They have lots of stuff here. Let me see. You even have these treat bags. These have little gnomes. They have a heart one right here. Oh, look at this one with the lollipop hearts. The heart lollipops. Okay, just got home. I'm gonna share what I got. It's not a lot as you saw, but it was funny because I only went for a papaya at Aldi's and it ended up coming out with strawberries, blueberry, and a mop. And I didn't have my grocery bag and I didn't even bother putting a quarter in the cart, so I had to hold everything. So I really couldn't vlog right, but this is the mop that I got. It's this one right here. This one is a Easy Home brand, I guess. It's 2-in-1 microfiber flip mop for $6.99. What a steal. But I was carrying this. I was carrying my blueberries, my strawberries, and my papaya, and it was a hassle, but oops. But I did it. And at Dollar Tree, ew, ugly angle. Okay, at Dollar Tree, I ended up getting these. I got 4. I'm gonna do some bows for my coffee bar, and then my blueberry, my strawberries. I put my papaya away. And then at Bath and Body Works, I got this as my free gift. I love this scent, the strawberry pound cake. Ooh, I love it. And this was the free one, and I had to buy something, and I bought this little cutie right here. It's so adorable. Now I'm gonna be working right now for this little collab video. You're gonna see me work in action, but at the same time, it's kind of like a reward because I'm gonna have tea. I'm gonna share this cute little teapot that I got, so adorable. Then I'm gonna grab some cookies to make the reel. I can't do any promises in not eating this cookie because I love butter cookies, and they're sprinkled, they're cute, they're heart-shaped. Look at these cookies. They are cute. It's gonna be so difficult for me not to eat these shortbread cookies. I said butter cookies, right? Shortbread cookies. Now I'm gonna work with this tripod. This one's actually pretty cool and big. I got this one at Amazon. That angle should be good. And then let me grab my teapot so you guys could see. And then I have to wash it too, but I'm excited. Look how pretty this teapot is. It is the cutest. I'll probably put it in my, I'll put a link. I'll put a link. Okay, so I ended up grabbing this little pot, adding water so I can make my tea. But I got this washed right now. I'm just gonna dry it off. How cute. Okay, I think the tea of the day I'm gonna use chamomile and with vanilla and, how do you say that? Manuka honey? Yeah, but this was really good. I love this one. Okay, this is how it looks. How cute. I just love the cookies there. I wish I could eat all 4 right now, but I can't. But I made my tea. I'm actually excited to try it, so let's try it. And then afterwards, once I'm done editing, I have to edit, and then I'll probably show you a preview once like I do the whole edit on this video. I added brown sugar to the half and half, and it's so good. I love tea. I don't know how a lot of people don't like it. I love tea, especially like at night when it's cold. So I'm gonna have to reach out to this company. I hope they like that video, but for now, let's put those cookies away. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my cookies back here. Yeah, we should. Okay, so I think there's a little bit of tea left, and then I'm just gonna be sipping on this while I try. You know what, let me add the rest of this. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna start working on one bow just to see if I'm liking it. That lady looking like roadkill right there. She's so cute. So I think we're gonna try with the hot pink and then make a bow out of it. I'm trying to find the TikTok, and I want to give credit to the girl because that's a genius idea. If I find it, I'll put her name on the description box, but I saw it on TikTok. Cool, you can find so much stuff to do on TikTok. Okay, so you apparently just cut it in half without, like, just like that, so it's even. Go get my scissors. Doesn't have to be perfect because then I guess in the end you're gonna cut the angles from the bottom. How does she do it? I'm seeing the idea. So it looks ugly right now, but you're gonna basically fluff it out. Oh my gosh, beautiful, creative and beautiful. I love that. Okay, so this is like half. Oh, I see the vision. Look how cute this would be. Like having 3 to 4 bows there. Okay, I think I got it. So you could do it like that. Look how cute that is. I like how ruffled it looked. I know people are doing like pillows, but I think this is probably the easiest. And then you'll cut it, you know? Here is another one. Let's do it again. So I kind of hold it like this, and then I'll loop one side in. So sorry, look. It looks ugly at first, but then there's so many ways. I mean, I'm not the best, but I like how you could fluff this right here. Play with it and fix it, but I think it's so cute. I can't wait to start decorating. Look, I love it. These are so cute. Okay, this is the easiest DIY. I love it. I'm obsessed. Look, I can even put it here. Now I'm craving some lunch. I'm a little hungry, and I think Greek yogurt because I am gonna go to the gym later. I'm not gonna vlog that. I'm just gonna keep it strictly a different type of video. Okay, so I made my Greek yogurt. It doesn't look aesthetic anymore, but I did it aesthetically. I love anything that looks so cute. So I have my blueberries, my strawberries, my Greek yogurt, drizzled honey, and that's it. It's so good. Oh my god, I got like a big ass spoon. If you didn't know, dogs love blueberries. Also guys, that's gonna be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that's gonna be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. With all that said, have a sweet day, guys.